Gonna get something from the Pikachu vending machine? This is the one I found. What do you think? I think this is like the mystery.
It's just normal.
Yeah, you don't know which one you're gonna get.
Yeah.
But I think that's cricket. Can you translate?
Okay.
What is it?
Oh, soy and cricket cookies.
Soy and cricket.
That's repulsive.
I take it you don't want to try that?
No, it's got soy and cricket on it. It's like two bad things. Ugh.
What about this one?
That's just normal sweets, I think. Okinawa bean confectionery with various flavors. Can you complete it? So,
Oh.
sounds good.
Weird stuff. Need a hand?
Oh, his little hands. So creepy.
6.
2, 4, 6. These are better flavors. Okay, push again. Oh. You got 2. Super lucky. You're here. You got cheese. You got?
Burger.
Oh, the burger one. Oh no.
Oh no.
Yeah, not bad. Got a burger. It's got a smoky burger in this too. It's 4 cheeses or something. 4 types of cheese.
Oof, that's gonna be
It's gonna be like
stinky.
smell like feet on a hot day. Oh, looks the same.
Doesn't smell like foot yet.
It smells like foot.
Does it taste like foot?
Oh, very creamy. You want the fat frog?
I want the fat frog.
Oh,
This
does it
will-
have to be ones?
Yeah, it has to be one.
It's fine. Let's go. We totally got the fat frog.
We got it! Oh god, we got the one we
We got
wanted.
the fat frog. It's so heavy though.
So cute!
Sorry.
Look at it, it's perfect. Look at its little bum. It's so ugly. I want this one.
Oh no! It's the blob again. Yeah, that's it. I got the head for you.
No!
Got the head.
Oh, the evil head.
This one.
Yeah, you got the evil. Okay, that's better than the blob I got twice. Chicky. Not Glenn, not Glenn, not Glenn.
It's Chucky.
I got the good guys. Yay! I want the black one. I want the black sitting one. Oh! I got a black one, but I don't know if it's standing or sitting. Hope it's sitting,
Okay, we'll see.
because I have this one already.
Thanks for the Honda cup. I want the either of these two. I don't like the yellow starfish.
Okay, black or blue? I'm hoping for the sitting one. Yay!
It's a sitting one.
It's a sitting one. Wonderful.
Cool.
It's black and turquoise.
Yeah, look.
Oh look!
Oh yeah. So you got the one you wanted.
I got the one I wanted.
Cool.
This is so cute.
What?
Huh?
Pretty cool.
Is that the one you wanted?
I kind of wanted the blue one, but now I'm going to be building something for a long time. This is pretty cool.
Good quality?
Like, well, look at it.
Mm.
This It's got the engine, you got to build the whole thing. You even got the speedo. Sorted. Crisis averted. For front. There we go. Very hard bunch at the bottom.
Okay. Which one do we want? I want this one.
It's red, so it's probably good.
Oh god, is it Glen?
No, it's
It's exactly the one I wanted. Excellent. Which one do we want? No, that one. We already have this one.
this one's the best.
No! Silly.
Okay, this one.
I like the fish, or even the grumpy black one is so cute.
You'll never know.
Mystery. It's just bloody adorable. Look at them. Oh. So cute. I want that one.
It's going to be a beautiful package.
Oh, I'm so scared to look. Oh god, it's just a butterfly. Meh.
I got a chocolate. Sweet.
A chocolate. How are we going to carry all of this?
I've got it back.
It's our bag of snacks.
There we go.
Which one are you hoping for?
Either this one. This one's okay, but this one. Or the like unicorn one. Or the goat, one of the goat on the back.
Okay, go. Which one did you get?
I don't know, I can't see. Stress flying one.
Oh no.
Those three are cool. I would have liked any one of those.
Which one are you hoping for?
I want the big one, this one. One with a stand, like that.
Let's see.
It's heavy.
Is it the one you wanted?
Not really. I wanted the one with the big horns. That one. Giant horn beetle. I got this one. Not so giant horn beetle.
It's quite that. Looks like a tick. Nasty.
It's gonna be giant. Look at how big the thing is. It's heavy. It's just the shell. It's gonna be really big. Pretty cool. Its legs. Look at that. You can move the head. Look. Whoa. You move the top piece like this. The wings move.
That's quite nasty.
Pretty cool. Very difficult to get these things in here. It's very well made, to be honest. There we go. Click it back in. Big.
Oh god, it's nasty, this little thing.
It's pretty cool. Look at it. It's
It's
like,
good quality.
hello. Bonk, bonk.
Okay. Let's see this hideous thing. Look at the size of it.
It's very big. It's pretty cool.
Oh, it's good quality.
Very good quality model. Very difficult to put those legs in. Imagine this thing flying into your face.
Oh my god, I'll probably... No, I will die. Ugh.
Yeah, in real life, it's like... Or you're on a motorcycle.